Home security and monitoring technology has become more available and more affordable than ever.
And thanks to that, peace of mind is just a few clicks away. Now, while there are numerous options, for demonstration purposes, we're going to install a basic video doorbell and then talk about some of the features and benefits that systems like these provide. You ready to get started?
Let's do it. You set up the unit with the app and I'll get ready to place it outside.
Sounds good. Now, as we mentioned, this is just a basic one-unit system. With this and other systems, you have the ability to place and network additional units so that you have visibility and monitoring for multiple entrances or outdoor areas, as well as interior spaces if you like. This particular doorbell unit is powered by a rechargeable battery, so we've charged it up to prep for installation, and we've also purchased a continuous solar charging panel that will help us maintain continuous battery life. Now, I've already downloaded the app, so all I need to do is connect it to Wi-Fi, and once it's paired with the Wi-Fi, the unit's ready for operation. So let's go see how Pete's doing.
I've attached a solar charging panel in a location where it will receive 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight per day. Now, you want to make sure it's not inadvertently covered by an overhang tree or something else. Our solar charging cable will come along here, and we'll kind of dress that up as we finish, down to where I've already gone ahead and attached the bracket that'll hold our doorbell unit.
You ready for this?
I am. Thank you, Megan. So now we're going to take our solar charging cable, connect it to the back of the unit, and then connect it in place. And hey, Megan, can you see me? This is pretty cool.
Hey, Pete, you might want to take a step back. The picture looks great and we've done our job, so come on in. I think we're done. So let's talk about some of the features and benefits of systems like this one. High-quality output cameras, many available with night vision, allow you to see what's happening on your property while it's happening. The app connects you to the phone whether you're at home or you're away.
You can set up the zones you want to view and receive notifications. This particular unit even has a near zone feature that helps cut down on false notifications of motion or arrivals.
All features of the camera and setup are controllable through the app. Now, you also have the ability to see, hear, and speak through the detection unit to anyone who's triggered a motion detection or arrival notification.
While live view may be the most common way you use the system, a recording and photo capture function may be available through subscription service or other means. This allows you to view past detections and share images if needed.
Manufacturers have strived to make these systems user-friendly, so the app interfaces are convenient and really easy to understand. Plus, networking multiple units and connecting them to an in-home digital assistant is typically simple and intuitive.
As you saw, the install of this unit was quick. We were up and running and enjoying that peace of mind within just a few minutes.
The benefits of being able to see all around your home can give you great peace of mind.
This technology can help keep your PowerHouse safe and secure.
Right, and what's better than that? For more information on energy tech and breakthroughs for your home, visit our website at powerhousetv.com.